Today I'm going to show you something I was sent in the mail by Bob and Brad. Let's see where the front is. I believe this is it. Bob and Brad, physical therapists trusted by millions of followers. They have a channel here on YouTube, and they approached me before about reviewing the hand massager. Loved it. Use it when I remember to. So they sent me a TheraHeat heating pad, the real heat for real relief. This is meant to be worn, as this lovely model is showing, over your shoulders. And it has a control. So I have not used it yet. I'm going to show you right now how to use it. So I'm going to have to figure it out. I'm going to read the benefits here on the side of the box first. Weighted design, weighted with ceramic beads, fit snugly and provide an intensified heat effect for maximum relief. Targeted heat therapy, provide soothing heat therapy for muscle and joint discomfort. High level heat, increase circulation to help speed up recovery and healing. Optional moist heat, spray water onto the fabric for deeper, more effective relief. Comfortable fabric, ultra soft, provide excellent comfort and a soothing body touch. Easy maintenance, machine washable for convenient cleaning. All right, so these are all the benefits of this TheraHeat heating pad that goes over your shoulders, or they show lots of other ways to use it. But I'm going to put it on over my shoulders. This is the front. It's the user manual, and this shows the front view, and then it drapes. This is the neck. This is, the body. So I'm going to put it on right now. Here is the vest, the weighted vest, and it has a controller. It's hooked up to the vest here in front. So I'm going to set the controller down because it's a little awkward. And I'm going to put this on. I'm just going to throw it over my shoulder. It's kind of heavy. Okay, here it is. And it has 3 different places here that you can adjust. Let's see. Over here. Right over here. 1, 2, 3, and then there's one right here. So I'm just going to do this one right here. And I think this might be for if you use it on a different part of your body. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to throw it back. Here's the back, what it looks like. Can you see it? I hope so. Here's the front. So here is the control. I have to plug it in. It's a very long cord. It's a lot. I'd say probably 5 or 6 feet. Okay, the cord is plugged in. I have the controller here. This round button is the on and off. So I'm gonna press that. There's the little light. It says, ooh, it's warming up. I can feel it already. It has directions here. It says, this is the display, which makes sense, because it's displaying some numbers and a red dot. B and C, which is these top ones, control the heat level. And the D and E, which are these buttons down here, are the timer buttons. So, press and hold the on-off button for about 2 seconds to turn the heating pad on and off, and I did hold it down and it came right on. The heating pad will be programmed to work under the default setting, 60 minutes timer, and the heat level 3 when the power is on. So that's what that 3 is. That's the heat level. And it's very warm. I'm not going to turn it up right now. If you want to adjust the heat level, you move these buttons. Like, I imagine, let me see. I'm going to press the red one, see what happens. Oh, it went up to 6. I bet it's going to get really hot. Yeah, it's pretty warm. So I'm going to press the green, see what happens. Oh, that's for the timer. Oh, I want it to be less. So this is the heat. So the heat is adjusted by these two buttons. Plus makes it hotter, and the minus makes it cooler. And I'm gonna put it down to a 2 because it's very warm for me. So I think it can get really nice and hot, which my back is not hurting right now, but if it were, the hotter, you know, the more it helps your blood circulation and all that. And then this, the green ones, are for the timer. So I'm gonna, it's on 30 minutes and it won't go any lower. But I'm pretty sure if I wanted it to stop, I know what to do. I'm gonna press the power button. And now it's off. So it should start cooling down. And I would say this is gonna be very helpful. I have my left knee hurts sometimes, and it shows, I'll just set that down. It shows in here different ways to use this heating pad. You can lay down on your stomach and put it on your back. I think that would feel good. You can also use it for abdominal therapy. You could lay on your back and put it on your stomach. Elbow therapy, you guessed it. You wrap it around your arm for your elbow. And then knee therapy. And it just shows it draped over the legs, covering the knees here. That may be the one that I use more often. We shall see. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm getting a little warm. I'm going to take this off. And it is weighted. It's nice and sturdy. Here's the inside. It's a plush. Get that controller out of the way. I want to show you. It's like a, you know, nice soft blanket. And then the outside is quilted, and it's very heavy. It's kind of awkward, but that, you know, helps do the trick, I'm sure. Has a lovely little collar here, and I would say this is going to come in handy, especially for my knee. That is my one weak spot, and it doesn't always hurt, but when it does, I was told, my doctor told me to put heat on it, then cold, then heat, then cold, and to elevate it. So I could just sit in my chair, pointing to my chair, it's right over there, put my foot up, put my feet up on the footstool, put this bad boy on for the heat. I think it'll be great. So, have you ever used a Bob and Brad, what do you call this? Heating pad that goes over your shoulders or most any other part of your body? If you have, leave a comment. Let us know how you like it. I would say this is going to be a great addition to my health routine. And I'll put a link to Bob and Brad's YouTube channel and to this product. There'll be a discount code also. And I will see you next time.